Okay, here are two central air conditioning units at a bank in Riverside, Iowa. Here's this unit. This one is a Ruud unit. Tall unit here. Is a 5-ton from 2020, I think. Copeland scroll compressor, I think, and it has a Gentech ECM motor. And then right here, here's a Lennox unit of some kind, probably a airflow, maybe. Not exactly sure. This unit is a 4-ton from 2024. Nice. This is a Leeds refrigeration LC, and I think that's the name of the company that installed this. But yeah, it's like some sort of Lennox product. Probably a Airflow, or Concord, or Duquesne, possibly. It's one of those three. But yeah, this unit replaced a older unit of some kind not too long ago. I think it was a ICP. But yeah, these are located at a bank here in Riverside, Iowa. These units I've seen before, but haven't gotten around to filming them until now. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video. These two units. Anyways, thanks for watching.